Welcome to this video series in which I'm going to teach you how to advertise on Facebook. Facebook is probably one of the hottest traffic sources out there right now. There's 1.49 billion users. You can start for as little as $5 per day, and the targeting is really good on Facebook because they have invested billions of dollars in their technology to basically get to know the consumer, and they've got all kinds of data on their users. Okay, so in this video series, I'm going to cover topics such as how to avoid getting suspended. A lot of marketers do get their accounts suspended on Facebook. I'm also going to teach you how to research your market on Facebook, and I'm also going to show you how to create a Facebook ad using a free tool. And I'm also going to let you watch over my shoulder as I set up an ad campaign on Facebook.